I was confident that if I had a question, I could call him and he would be there to answer. Hi, my name is Smita, and Andy Rosenberg assisted my husband and I with our estate planning. We had 2 deaths in the family in the last 5 years, and both of them were very close to me. One was my sister, one was my father. My sister did not have a will, and that there were all kinds of issues because of that. And my father did, and we realized how easy it was when someone has a will. Even though in theory we knew that, when practically it happened, we realized that we needed an attorney. My mother used him for her estate planning. So she found him and just loved him. And when we saw him, we initially spoke to him over the phone, and he was very pleasant and very nice and funny. But when he saw him in person, it was very different. He was so personable. Everybody has opinions about lawyers. I mean, he's huggable. I mean, he's so, I mean, he is. My husband and I were just floored at how nice and sweet. And not only him, it's his entire staff. The vibe in the office, it's kind of like family planning. The other thing about Andy, he's very quick. He knows how to process everything. So he had a stash of paperwork, and I looked at it and I was kind of flabbergasted, but I didn't say anything. And he went through that within the hour, I think. I was confident that my dealings were taken care of. I was confident that if I had a question, I could call him and he would be there to answer. I came there kind of discombobulated, okay, what's where, but I left knowing that if God forbid, if something happens to my husband and I, my children know where to go, what to do, and if need be, he'll direct anything that's necessary. He has different ways of making complicated things understandable. So he was able to explain to us in layman's terms how this works. And that alleviated a lot of our stress. He was able to get all of our paperwork squared away as far as who's going to get the kids, how we want to set everything up. His team is phenomenal. I met 2 ladies there that were witnesses. They were wonderful. That makes a successful legal practice if you have that camaraderie with your coworkers, and your clients remain happy because of that. So I sensed the moment I walked in that door, I sensed that, I'm going to be taken care of here.